Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra. Stock number is A7974. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. You have 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a GM bed liner here, keeping the bed nice and safe, and the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, four-wheel drive controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.